is up? Welcome to the channel. On today's episode of Adventures with Hobbs, I'm recording with the GoPro. I'm going to be attempting to do the first creek fishing ever. I've never creek fished, never. So I don't know what to throw, I don't know what's in there, I don't know what's going to happen, but we're going to do it, and we're going to do it together. So I'm going to just carry a pole and a bait, and we'll see what happens. So let's get it. Oh, it is a cold morning this morning. Whew, we've been like, I don't know, 65, 70 degrees every day. And then today, it is like 30 something degrees. It has gotten cold. But I got 2 days to fish. We're supposed to have rain Monday or Wednesday through Friday or something like that. That's a big animal. So anyway, yeah. It's gonna be pretty chilly this week and then rain the rest of the week. And but anyway, God created another beautiful day, so we're gonna come out here and enjoy it. Hope y'all find something that makes y'all happy and y'all enjoy doing just as much as I do. Well, if we don't catch no fish here, there's definitely a beautiful place though, for sure. Like, this place is gorgeous. Whew. I haven't seen no sign of fish or anything. I haven't seen anything living at all. So, oh my God, this place is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Like, I don't even know what to throw here. I don't know nothing about creek fishing. I just had to throw some rocks in there just so I can get kind of over here to where I'm at. Yeah, I don't know nothing about creek fishing. I've never done it. I don't know what to throw. So if you ever been in the creek and fished in the creeks like this, what do you throw? What do you do? I mean, like, I don't know. We don't have stuff like this in Florida. So it's a beautiful place. Like I said, if anything, we might not catch nothing, but at least I got to show you and me both. We got to experience just a beautiful piece of nature, you know? Like, just seeing stuff like this on a daily basis is by far better than any day at work, for sure. I'm not going to try to jump around rock to rock, because if I fall in, one, it's cold, and I don't feel like swimming way over there to the beach sand. So, but anyway, yeah, drop a comment. Tell me what y'all, excuse me, what you do in a situation like this. What do you fish? What do you throw? Like, is there a certain color? Oh, I went overboard. There you go. Like, what do y'all do? How do you fish it? So far, no luck. I did, however, in that little patch right there, let's see, can you see my pole? Okay, in that little patch right there, there was a deer, and it took off, jumped, went up that way and took off running. But we're gonna try to walk a little bit further. So far, no luck, but I mean, it's beautiful. So I didn't think I was gonna catch anything. For one, I've never creek fished. I don't even know what to throw. Two, yeah, go back to number one. I don't know what to throw out here, but we're on an adventure. We're out here we're just checking out new waters. It is a beautiful place though, for sure. So let's see if we can't, I don't know, sneak around, and I just want to catch one fish. One fish out here would be great. But anyway, I'm just enjoying the day. It's beautiful. So let's see if we can't get some fish. I don't know if I can or not without drowning. Oh, I didn't bring my water boots. So I don't know. I really would like to get on that other side over there. That's what I'd like to get. I'm a deer track. Spot number 2. Spot number 1 was gorgeous. Beautiful scenery. And I'm not saying there wasn't no fish there. We just couldn't get to where the fish were at. So spot number 2, we're here. And we changed baits. I went with the rooster tail. We're gonna go down this way. There's a little creek that runs to the highway. We're gonna try that out and see what we can do. Anyway, beautiful day. Smells fishy. Maybe we can catch some fish. Brim, bass, it don't matter. I am in a hurry to get to the water, not paying attention to what I'm doing. That rock right there, if I lift that rock up, there's a snake. It was sitting right there and I about walked right up on it. Y'all gotta be careful, so do I. Whew, that scared me. I'm not scared of snakes until I can't see them. When I don't see them, that's when I'm scared of them. But anyway, yeah, so if you're walking through the woods and just pond hopping, be careful. Or creek walking, anything, just be careful because it's that time of the year. Whew, that scared me. All right, well, again, this is creek number 2. I have no idea anything about creek fishing, but we're gonna give it a whirl, try it out. There's a deer right there. It was coming this way. He's in the water. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty close. Off they go. That was pretty close. He hit that like a ton of bricks. I was pushing it through them weeds. Chunky. Old chatterbait.